Simplicity is the key to brilliance. Today I am sharing with you a quick and easy recipe which is very popular in the southern India, Rava Upma. Rava is also called as semolina or suji. It is one of the last minute recipes as it can be prepared within 10 minutes. Firstly, we will dry roast the rava. Once it turns light brown, remove it from flame and keep it aside. Then we will fry the groundnuts and keep it aside. Stay tuned for a quick tip at the end. For tempering, we will add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. You can also add chana dal and urad dal at this point. Then we will add green chilli, onion, ginger and curry leaves. Don't skip the curry leaves, it enhances the aroma and taste of upma. You can add vegetables of your choice to make vegetable upma at this point. Let it fry well. Once done, add salt and water. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Then add the roasted rava slowly. Don't add the rava at once, else it will form lumps. Mix well and add the fried groundnuts and give it a quick mix. Quick tip: adding the fried groundnuts at the end will keep them crispy. Rava upma is ready to be served. You can serve it with your favorite chutney or pickle. I have served it with pesarattu, that is moong dal dosa, which is a classic combination. Try this recipe and enjoy the aromatic and flavorful upma. If you like this video, please like and share. Also subscribe to the channel.